I make any decision? Found it. Alright. Looks like I didn't even need the scissors. Like, what's this? No, forget.
Don't break apart the box.
I wasn't expecting this. Alright, wait, let me read it first before I open it. Fully cowled mini 4WD, like 4-wheel drive series. Okay. Magnum Saber. Oh, this is like the time when I bought the Dragon Ball figures. Kind of look like this. Had to take it apart, assemble. I mean, it's already taken apart for me. Chassis. Whatever these are. I think this is for the wheels. What is this? Lego. I'm up for the challenge. Seems kind of complicated with stickers. The colorway is red, blue, and yellow. Can you read this? Yeah, you read it. Kokororo. Safety hazards. Only for 6-year-olds. I'm looking at the instructions on how to do it, so I have a background. Well, I'm gonna take up the parts later. What the heck? Last sticker done.
Turn it on.
Fine. Oh, not properly.